Hey sand fans and lunatics, Sand Phil here. Hey, I got a new project today. I'm going to try to scrape some of those stickers, those carpet cleaning stickers, off the side of the super van. So, I don't know, those things have been on there since probably 1988. So they're going to be stuck really well. So I don't know exactly what's going to work. I thought what I first might try is just a scraper and my heat gun, my Harbor Freight heat gun. So let's get out there and see what that does. I don't know, guys. This cord is like super hot. I'm thinking I might go put the waterproof case on the GoPro. We'll set it up. I'll try to hit it with the power washer. Maybe the power washer will take the stickers off. Oh no, it's worth a shot. Let me switch cameras out and I'll be back. Okay, well, as you can see, the power washer did a lot better than the heat it up with the heat gun and scrape it. So I think what I may do is go by the store and see if I can't find some kind of adhesive release, spray this whole side of the truck down, and then hit it with the power washer and see what that does. And look, my dog is chewing on my box that the tips to my power washer came in. That's Flomar. Anyway, this is Sandfill. I'm soaking wet. Subscribe if you guys want to. But most of all, be safe out on the dunes. Bye.
What the hell?